Everyone, it's time for another board game. Now we need to know our times tables for the 2 times table, the 5 times table and the 10 times table by the time we reach the end of key stage 1, that is year 2. If you know any other times tables, that's fantastic, but we really need to focus on these ones and make sure we know the division facts as well. Now, we're going to do a board game using these division facts, and a really great way to do it is to only use numbers from the 2, 5 or 10 times table. Let's start with the 2 times table today. So I've created my grid just like we've done before, and I've started on 0. Don't forget you can write your start and your finish wherever you'd like. This time though, we're going to jump in 2s in the 2 times table. Can you do it with me? So let's start. We've got 0. The next one is 2. The next one, do you know the next one? That's right, it's 4. And we're going to carry on 6, 8. After 8, it's 10. That's 2 times 5, which is 10. We're going to snake round like this. So we've got 10, and after 10, it's 12. The next one in the 2 times table, 14, 16, 18, 20, 11 times 2 is 22, and 12 times 2 is 24. Now, we need to finish off our grid, so let's carry on going. We know 2 more than 24 is 26, and we're noticing a pattern now because I've got a 2 and a 2, a 4 and a 4, a 6 and a 6. So do you think you can spot the pattern here? 2 more than 26. That's right, it's 28. Snaking round to 30, and again we've got another pattern, so we've got a 0 on the end of that one, so 2 more than 30 is 32. Let's keep going. 34, 36 and 38. The next number is going to be 40. Okay, so once you've made your table, what you're going to need to do is add on your start and your finish, and don't forget you can add lots of lovely treats to your board game, so it's just like snakes and ladders. I've got my dice. I'm going to roll my dice, and I've landed on a 4. Okay, so I'm going to move myself 4 places. Here's my pen lid. I'm going to use this to show you. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We've done the 2 times table. That means all our answers are going to be divided by 2, shared between 2. So our first question, we landed on number 8. What is 8 divided by 2, or 8 shared between 2? That's right, it's 4, and we can do this by sharing into 2 piles like this. Sharing our 8. You can use your counters at home, you can draw an array, or you might just know it in your head. Let's have another go. So I'm going to roll the dice. I've got 3, so this time I'm going to jump 3 more jumps. Snaking down we go. 1, 2, 3. My numbers are getting bigger. So this time I've got 14 divided by 2. Now we know that the same number that we times it by, we can divide by. So let's see how many 2s are in 14. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 2s is the same as 14. Let's see if 14 shared between 2 makes 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many are in one of my groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How interesting. That means my answer is 7. Let's have one last go. And this time I've rolled a 1. So I'm just going to move 1 jump, and my next division is 16 divided by 2. Do you know the answer to that one? We can check. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many are in one group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember that I said if you swap around the number, you might just see a pattern. So are there 8 2s in the number 16? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 2s in the number 16. How fantastic. So we actually know that 2 8 times is 16. What a fantastic way to check your answer. This is how we might do it for a 2 times table. We're going to also do a 10 and a 5 today.